already heating. Why is it not falling? Shit, you have to open it and put a. Welcome to yet another episode of the Meaty Masterclass, and today is a very special episode because it's the Pujo episode. So Pujo means a lot of delicious food, both from the Bengal side of Bengal and from the Ghoti side of Bengal. But what brings everybody together is a great feast platter. So today we're going to make something very special, and that is Kosha Mangsho, a quintessentially Kolkata recipe that brings everyone to the table. And although it's a very long winding recipe, but the end of it is just delicious platter of luchi and Kosha Mangsho. So let's dive straight into the recipe then. So to make the Kosha Mangsho, we have Licious goat curry cut. It's fresh. Now I'll tell you how to make the marinade for the Kosha Mangsho. We make a paste with yogurt, some onions, garlic, turmeric, garam masala and salt. And then we marinate it for a good 8 hours so we get amazingly tasty Kosha Mangsho. So the meat has been marinated for 8 hours, and if you've missed the ingredients, they're all down below. And now we'll move to the next step, which is making the gravy for the kosha. So we'll begin with frying the onions golden brown. So now we're going to add some mustard oil to a pan that is already smoking. And mustard oil is just so important to all our cooking. It has this beautiful pungent flavor, very strong. And it's very important that you smoke the mustard oil because it removes the bitterness, enhances the flavor and has this beautiful sweet tinge to anything that you add in it. So we'll wait for the oil to smoke, and then right after the oil is smoking, we'll add all our dry masalas and quickly stir them. So once you can smell the aroma of this beautiful masalas, it's time to add the onions. So this is 400 grams of onion that have been chopped up, and in goes the onion. So keep stirring the onions until they become a little translucent and have this beautiful golden brown color for about 15 minutes, and then you're done. So the onion is now beautifully translucent, it's golden brown and it's reduced. We will now add our ginger paste and some chili garlic paste, and we fry it for a good 5 minutes. So once the caramelized onions are fried further, we add this paste that I've made with cumin, coriander and red chilli powder mixed with a little bit of water to this fried onion. So this has been frying for 15 minutes, and we will now add our marinated mutton into this. And once we've added this marinated mutton, we're also going to fry it for a good 15 minutes until the mutton starts to brown. So you'll fry them in high heat until we see the mutton becoming nicely brown. And as you can see on the side, I'm also heating a pot of water, which will also be needed for this cook. So now we have this beautiful brown mutton, and look at it sizzling. So once you get this consistency, it's time to add our yogurt, and then goes some salt, and how can we forget the Ghoti touch, which is the sugar. And you can continue to fry this until the entire thing dries out a bit. Once the gravy has dried up a bit, we add 30 ml of water to this gravy. So after adding the water, we mix, cover and cook it for some time. Now you need to do this until you've used up 1 liter of water. The process of browning or controlled browning is very important because the entire gravy sticks to the bottom of the pan, and this adds to the beautiful texture and the color of the Kosha Mangsho. So the mutton has been cooking for almost 90 minutes, and as you can see, there's a beautiful, delicious texture of the mutton. It's completely browned. I'm just going to add a little bit of water, and you could do that to just give it a nice texture and consistency to the mutton. Do it as per your requirement. I'm just going to pour some water and then let it cook for a few more minutes. My mutton is almost cooked through. I'm just going to complete this Kosha Mangsho with this beautiful green slit chillies. And how can we forget the delicious ghee for that last umami texture. That's it, your Kosha Mangsho is done. Enjoy it with some beautiful fluffy luchis or bashunti pulao, and you're done. So our Kosha Mangsho looks all ready to be eaten. Shubho Sharodiya, and I hope that you enjoy delicious platters of food with your friends and family this Pujo. But do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.